Mouse. Mouse is an input device that helps us to tell the computer what to do. It also helps us to select icons on the monitor. It is used to play games and draw pictures. Types of computer mouse. All computer mouse look same, but they are of different types. The different types of mouse are optical mouse. Optical mouse is the most popular type of mouse. It has an LED sensor at its bottom that helps the pointer on the screen to move. If you pick up the mouse, you will see a red light glow under it. Wireless mouse. Wireless mouse has no wire. It runs on batteries. It is also called an optical mouse. Parts of a mouse. A computer mouse has three main parts: scroll wheel, left button, right button. Mouse pointer. A mouse displays an arrow on the screen called as pointer. When a mouse is moved, the pointer moves in the same direction in which you moved the mouse. The mouse pointer can change its shape depending on the task the computer is doing. Some of them are shown in the picture. Proper way to hold a mouse. 1. Keep your palm on the mouse. 2. Keep your index finger on the left mouse button. 3. Keep your middle finger on the right mouse button. 4. Now hold the sides of the mouse with your thumb and rest of the fingers. 5. To move the scroll wheel, use your index finger. Actions of the mouse. We press the buttons on the mouse to select or point to something on the screen. This action is called clicking the mouse. Single click. When we press the mouse button once, it is called single click. To single click, move the pointer to any object. Click left mouse button. The object is selected. Double click. When we press the mouse button 2 times quickly, it is called a double click. To double click, move the pointer to any object. Click left mouse button 2 times quickly. The program opens. Right click. When we press the right mouse button once, it is called right click. It opens a menu of the properties of the selected item.
Drag. Drag means to move the mouse while keeping the mouse button pressed. It is used to move an item to another location on the screen.
Scroll. Scroll helps us to move a page on the screen up or down. To scroll, place the index finger on the scroll wheel and move it up or down.